Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to transform any photo into a cute crayon drawing using Pippit AI. So Pippit AI is an AI-powered creative platform that will help you to create any AI content like maybe AI talking photo, avatar video, product showcase, AI designs, or just AI creative images. And in here, we will use this tool to create cute crayon drawing images. And if you want to try this tool, you can just click the link in the description to access this tool. And then, okay, let's get started. First, just open Pippit AI, and then just go to More, Image Studio, choose AI Designs, upload your photo like this, and then next just write your prompt. Before I already prepared my prompt like this, and then after that just choose your AI model, and then just choose your ratio, and then just click submit. And okay, let's just take a look. Okay, I think the result is a little bit different with the original photo like this, the result is but the results are still good like this. Maybe next you can just tweak the prompt so you can just create the more better results. And okay, maybe that's it. Next you can just try it yourself, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.